The Secretary of the Congress Party from Nongpoh Constituency, Marwein, had tendered his resignation today, the 14th of November 2022, by citing party issues as a reason for his action. After personally handing over his resignation letter to the President of the MPCC, Vincent H. Pala, today, Marwein informed newspersons that Congress supporters and party workers from as many as 128 villages under Nongpoh Constituency have been neglected and sidelined by the state leadership, especially after its MLA Marwein Aim had left the party. Marwein also said that one of the main reasons of his resignation was the fact that the ticket for the party candidature to the 2023 State Legislative Assembly elections has been offered to Ronak Hemdej, a former UDP member who had recently joined the Congress party in Nongpoh. This, Marwein said, is not right on the part of the MPCC, as it has bypassed and sidelined him as a staunch Congress party worker of the Nongpoh constituency.
Hadin baino ba amiral bonds imula ya party hadin baino MDC te nagaliang jong ka MPC nagaliang jong president ilawan pen request yang aban ban lumban lang be Congress apo Nongpoh constituency but lale kumta re kat bangidang mi kesni na i party kadang plot nomor kali kamdon ka jingya trilang lan kamdon kata ka benong haktin parang well organized mo kamtam Nongpoh constituency kamtam ki long neglect bahaya kini ki grassroots worker ki badai ki original ki bahaya ditebut di Congress dei halor kini kan baki popun ki wajib ba na ki sispa apu prashnong ki bangala julai bania selok ki ko asu bendon ba Congress nomor ba jing tap ya ki breu Congress mata kamtam ki candidate im de dei breu bakit ya ka kam na party Congress idi bawan na kawai party UDP renyumangi la accept i na ka yang jungin ribun ba hi kim accept i Bate halor tak nong rem ngaro nganom don jingmut syu la dengan tre ba party Congress bagi ba kim baro sispa apu price nong hapo Nongpoh constituency kim ni naga liang ka party Congress le ki ba don ha ka Nongpoh constituency la syu neglect ba ki don syu ba keli don syu ba kanjo ya nongin I ticket nongin I ticket la syu ino kum tu but de halor tak nong rem hi ba ngaro ngasngo shem jinge ba so don jingmut syu don party Congress but nganong ip party Congress hanung ndi tang Nongpoh habaro kawai riboy hi katlot ngam kamdon ijung kam idon jingkerman rem job yang kan wan bang na pori district
kamulu ba kores de usketri ba peja Nongpoh jingsha de mo u ba pengklanya ka kres nongkong ba kadon to kat bangin padon candidate te hadin ka jing yo candidate jongi hadin ka jing barbor na piklain na try yo udon ka jingmut ban yele election du kwa ka bangin karanti ba ban I ticket yu ne kono korkom nomor 4 yo keren yu nomor ba kumba ong ngalai phone yu man hekene mga dangdon chobo Europe dangawan Europe i menjongai pangjor po hostel dan ICU ngaklam ban yo ikendo idang suklat menjongai kompetitif ten klam pada yo ban keren ring ala phone yu kini singi ong ba i menjongai dan stompalat ngar badang wan tendala biang kapor min sekendo resign pemban lele in sekran yu ngala phone ba Charles sebagai district president in sekran yu ngim soto ke kecing chu ke kecing kam chu katangin sepe ke